All right, the next one in this quick series on the MK4 Golf beater mods, we're gonna swap out these bright orange reflectors for these smoked LED ones. I'll put a link in the comment below where to get them. You can get them on eBay or Amazon, but just picked this car up. It's kind of a beater. You know, it's cosmetically nothing crazy, but just trying to make it look a little better. I already pulled the one side out, which was broken, so that's kind of why I'm doing this swap, but it's fairly simple. All you're going to need is a small flat screwdriver. I tried using a panel tool, but it was a little too thick, but let's jump into it here. Alright, so this is facing the back of the car. You're going to take your little screwdriver, force it in here, and put a little pressure on and pull back, and the bumper light should pop right out. Just like that. You can see the bulb came out in one. This is going to be the bulb. So if you need to replace your bulb, very simple. Just unplug, put a new one in. These are 194s, so they just press in. Since we're doing LED, we're going to do reverse order, so plug the new one in. One thing I'd like to do before actually setting it back in place is check to make sure that it works. So we're just going to loosely put this here, and we're going to turn it on just to make sure. So in this case, it did not turn on, which means the polarity is reversed. So we're going to unplug and flip it over. And you can see now we're lit up. So that's exactly why I checked this. A lot of times if you throw things back together, you're going to have kind of a bad day there. Reinstallation is just as simple. So you're going to slide it in, make sure that it's lined up good, and then just push the corner back in and it will snap. And just like that, you're all done. Step back and take a peek. See, those look way better. We'll turn the light off and see the final. Now with the lights off, you can see they're a lot more stealthy. These factory ones, you know, like this one, it's got a crack in it. You know, they wear out over time. They're just kind of a item that takes abuse, but now without the orange reflector and the bumper and then the LED in the fender, looks a lot better. Very cheap and easy mod. Thanks.